Mashed potato ball. My favorite.
Recording. Yeah, recording.
The way she eats the
Cereal bar?
The cereal bar is the exact same weight.
It's a numbers game, really. Only so much is gonna see it. Well, she's been eating with a fork until we put the mashed potatoes in front of her. Happy birthday.
I like when she...
Are you gonna put it on the board?
I didn't know